So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to schedule messages on Instagram. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your Instagram account, and you should have to tap on message icon which is available on the lower bottom of your screen. So tap on it. Now tap on message like this, where you want to send. Then tap on message and type a message here. So I'm typing this. Then tap on send icon, just tap, and you will find the option of schedule. Then you can schedule time by like this, or then tap on send tomorrow at 10:40 am. Then you can see your scheduled message by tapping here like this. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.